Hi everyone. So today we're gonna be making some chicken ranch dip, and I already cooked some chicken drumsticks. I cooked them overnight in the slow cooker, and I just put the chicken, I rinsed it with water, put it in here, and I put onion and salt, and I'm gonna be taking the meat off the bones and I'm gonna shred it. Then I'm gonna add some cream cheese right there, the Philly cream cheese. There's my measuring cup. Some hot sauce, this one, and ranch, and this is some cheese that I had. It's like string cheese. So I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna put it back in here all together, and I'll show you what it's gonna look like. Okay guys, so this is all the drumsticks. I took the meat off the bones and it was so easy, it would just slide off. It's all the skin and the little ligaments that are on this side and on this side of the drumstick. It was about seven of them that I cooked, and like I said, I did it overnight on high in the slow cooker. And now in the morning I unplugged it and then I let it cool, so now I just really easily peeled all the meat with my hands. So here's all the meat, and I did put also the onions, like the onions were caramelized, and I put them in here. All this is gonna be for my dog Lewis to eat, but like these little sharp parts, you want to make sure that you remove them and throw them in the trash. You don't want to like give this to your dog because it's pointy. It could be dangerous for him, you know. So yeah, that's gonna be a snack for him. And then I'm gonna put the cream cheese and the other ingredients in here, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, guys. I put the cheese in there, I cut it in little pieces. It's queso oaxaca. It's like melting cheese to make quesadillas, but you can use whatever cheese you like. I just used this one because this is what I had. And then so these are the ingredients that I used: the Philly cream cheese, Frank's Red Hot Wing buffalo sauce, and ranch. Okay, so I'm gonna cover this and I'm gonna let the cheese melt. Then I'll show you guys how I'm gonna serve it with some tortilla chips for dip. Well, this is gonna be the dip, and then they're gonna eat it with some chips, tortilla chips. Okay guys, so here is the dip already with some tortilla strips, and I hope you try this. It's really good. The cheese melted already in the crock pot, and I served it and it's ready to eat. I'm gonna put the ingredients and how much you would need in the description below. It's really easy to make if you use the crock pot, and I think it turned out better with dark meat than chicken breast. I've made it with chicken breast before and it's a lot more dry, so I recommend it. And see you guys next time. Hope you liked the video. Remember to subscribe so you can get notifications when I put a new video. Okay, take care. Bye.